Hi, my name is NJ Mijares, and I'm drinking a pint of porter here at Perfect Pint in Rockwell. Chocolate and cocoa porter na may halong coconut. Yung unang inom mo, you will definitely get the chocolate first. But after a while, as you drink it, mas nangingibabaw na yung coconut flavor. The smell of this beer is very strong. Ang lakas ng chocolate flavor and hints of coffee. Nakaka-addict yung amoy. Kung pwede lang gawing pabango yung mga ganitong klase ng amoy ng beer, I will buy that. It's 6.2% alcohol by volume and I can really feel the alcohol in the mouth. Lasang-lasa siya. Ang lakas ng lasa ng alcohol. So let's see how they describe this beer. It's called Coco Loco Porter. It's one of the, they call it Rockwell exclusive beers. The Perfect Pint is one of the more popular breweries and restaurants here in Metro Manila where you can order freshly brewed beer. They have 3 branches. They have one in Alabang, there's one in Estancia, and the third one is here nga in Rockwell. The name of this area in Rockwell is Proscenium. 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 It's a very fancy name for a place or for a mall. Actually, it's not a mall. It's a few blocks away from power plant. Kailangan mo maglakad ng mga about 10 minutes away from it. But it's a very, very convenient walk naman. Meron siyang walkway na pwede mong daanan. You're not walking on the street. So anyway, it's called Proscenium. And around this area, may mga iba pang mga restaurants here. Bars and restaurants na pwede mong kainan at inuman. The staff here are very welcoming and very accommodating. When they saw me filming, they offered to tour me dun sa brewery nila sa taas kanina. The brewer's name is Kurt. He gave me a tour. Hi, Kurt.
So, ang ginagamit natin dito is more on machine. So, this is our boiler. In our brewery, we have 3 tanks. So, this is for the hot water and for stocking of water for our mash tank. This is the whole process actually. So, we put our grains here together with the controlled temperature.
Lahat ng options na yan, you brew this. Wala kayong kinikerry na ibang...
Wala po, sir. All of our beers are home brewed now.
Nice. Behind me is the brewery. Dito nila binubrew mismo yung mga beer nila. They have, I think, about 20 or so variations and styles of beer that they do in this brewery. This is also where they keep their supplies and their ingredients. Ayan, look at those. Those are sacks and sacks of grains and malts and, I don't know, probably barley. But before we continue, I'd like to take this moment to ask for your help. A tiny favor. If you enjoy what I'm doing or if you find these videos informative or useful, please hit the like button down below. I really appreciate it. Thank you for doing that. So aside from good beers, they also serve good food. I ordered pork binagoongan. If you're into craft beer breweries like this one, there's another one in Makati called Palm Tree Abbey. I did an episode of that where I tasted their beers. If you wanna watch that video, click here.